When it comes to securing your applications in Azure, implementing transport layer security is essential. Think of TLS as your application's protective shield, ensuring that any data exchange between users and your services, such as Azure App Service and API management, is encrypted and protected from eavesdropping, tampering, and impersonation. By planning and enforcing TLS, you create a secure connection that builds trust with your users and keeps cyber threats at bay. You need to ensure that only secure HTTPS connections are allowed, which prevents unencrypted traffic from ever reaching your applications. Let's discuss why TLS matters. TLS is a must have for applications like Azure App Service and Azure API Management. When you enable TLS, you are making sure that any data moving between your app and its user is secure, which keeps cyber threats at bay. What happens when TLS is in action? When TLS is in action, your clients and Azure services establish a secure handshake. The data exchange is encrypted so no one can snoop in, and you ensure message integrity, which prevents modifications in transit. For your Azure App Service, TLS helps by securing all incoming and outgoing data transfer. You can require HTTPS for all traffic and even bring your own certificates using Azure Key Vault to protect custom domains. Similarly, if you use Azure API Management, TLS allows you to secure your APIs both internally and externally and prevent unauthorized access. By enforcing higher TLS versions like TLS 1.2 or TLS 1.3, you protect your APIs from attacks that rely on weaker encryption standards. Additionally, mutual TLS allows you to authenticate your clients before granting access, adding an extra layer of security. Your responsibility does not stop there. TLS is also essential for other Azure services. For example, when interacting with Azure storage, such as blob storage or file shares, you should always ensure secure HTTPS transactions. Azure SQL Database uses TLS to protect database connections, while Azure Virtual Networks and VPN gateways rely on TLS and IPsec protocols to secure communication within your network. It's critical that you consistently use encrypted connection to safeguard data in transit and maintain message integrity. To ensure strong security, you should avoid outdated TLS versions and stick to TLS 1.2 or higher, which offers modern protection standards. Enabling HTTPS only mode on your services is a simple yet effective way to force encrypted communication. Managing your TLS certificates through Azure Key Vault keeps them secure while providing you with full control. Additionally, enabling perfect forward secrecy prevents attackers from decrypting previous communications even if a key is compromised. Bottom line, by implementing TLS, you are protecting both your business and your users from threats while demonstrating that you take security seriously. With secure data in transit, your users can trust that their information is safe from prying eyes. So take charge by enabling TLS, enforcing HTTPS, and ensuring that no unsecured connection ever finds its way to your Azure applications. It's not just a security practice, it's a statement that your applications are ready to stand strong against cyber threats.